Hi all, I'm Tirupati Venkat. I have more than 15 years of experience in database. Now what happens is we know cloud computing is there. Based on that, I upgraded with my cloud skills. I've been working with Azure sometime. Currently I'm working for Google Cloud. In this video, you can find out the introduction of GCP Cloud Engineer, how you can able to crack your jobs to get into GCP Cloud Engineer. That series I'm providing in this course content. You can follow and you can able to get the jobs very easily. Okay, that's what I am preparing. Now coming to cloud computing, we know lot of companies are doing cloud computing. What is that? What is the benefit of that? What type of companies we have in the market? We have AWS, Azure, and GCP, IBM Cloud, Alibaba, and some more like that we have. Now in the market we have AWS, Azure only. Now GCP also. GCP is one of the very upcoming product in the IT industry. Suppose you, a normal person, any person who is using mobile or laptop or computer or tablet, you people are using Google search, Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, all those things you are using, right? That products has been developed with GCP. That products are developing with GCP platform. They are using GCP platform only. Okay. uh, and we know how you can able to build. Later in the videos I'll show you lot of products we can able to build. You can build like a Flipkart application, like Amazon application, or um, any insurance related application you can host in Google Cloud. Not only Google Cloud, you can host anywhere, but GCP is giving lot of discounts are there. That is the reason people are looking into the GCP. And moreover, these GCP is being concentrated on app engine. Remaining AWS and Azure has been concentrated with compute engines, means VM instances, computers. They've been configured first, then they came across app engine like that. That is one of the thing. Okay, please follow the videos what I am uploading and subscribe, then you can able to get the job very easily. Completely I'm giving in YouTube for you people. And a simple example, lot of people have been confusing what is meant by cloud computing. See, on premises, previous older technology on premises means, for example, suppose you purchased a vehicle, any two-wheeler or any four-wheeler you purchased, any car or bike have been purchased. What you need to do, what is the use of vehicle for your way? You need to travel one location to another location, right? In that intention, you need to upfront, you have to spend some money for your vehicle. Okay, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, or 3 lakhs based on your car you need to spend. After that, after 6 months you need to do some servicing. After 1 year or 2 years, you need to go with some maintenance, changing the spare parts. After some accidentally happen something, you need to make it repairs and as well painting also you need to do that. Means whatever the thing that product is yours, you have to maintain from your end only. In cloud, somebody who is maintaining Amazon or GCP or Azure cloud, okay, they were maintaining here. For example, Ola, Uber is there. You want to travel from one location, just you need to pay for some amount to Ola or Uber. You are traveling, means no servicing, no maintenance, no painting, on all those things. Who can maintain that? Ola person or Uber person will take care. That is the benefit of cloud. Here I'm talking on premises. Cloud means if you are building an application, Flipkart or Amazon, you need to purchase your servers, web servers, load balancers, networking, everything you need to, data center, air conditioning, manpower, everything you need to do that. Okay. Here it's not like that. Somebody is maintaining, you can maintain your application. Only required you need to pay amount for your usage only. No need to keep your capital also. Just you can keep your credit card activate within 1 day, 24 hours based on your requirements, then you can start using that. That is the benefit of cloud computing. Okay, coming back to GCP. See, in GCP 35 regions we have, region wise, zones wise, and countries, every country having their data center. Means, see, for example, I want to build Zomato application or Swiggy application, I need some servers, right? Means if I have that server feasibility in India region, I can use that one. According to their countries, they can use their applications nearby locations only. That is the benefit of global infrastructure. They've been segregated with regions, zones. Every country, some countries, not every country, almost 200 plus countries there been established. Here how the criteria, globally, region wise, then region has been distributed in zonal wise. They given advantages for you, for connectivity, networking, VPC, for securing firewall rules. So many things are there, so many products. I'm just giving overview in this demo session. Coming videos you can see one by one. I'll give you the roadmap. Scaling, load balancers, HTTP load balancer, HTTPS, global load balancer, all those things we have. Then optimizing, which premier tier you need or standard is enough, like that. Then any GKE, Kubernetes for that advanced level, you want to go with that. Everything it has been designed for you. Okay. Coming video, I'll give you the chapters like a roadmap. You can follow that, then you will crack the job in Google Cloud Engineer. Thank you.
Subscribe to my daddy's channel for regular updates. Click on bell icon.